Well, I think in Southeast Asia, if you hear the noise like this, that person gonna cook like really well. It means like you're hitting something, right? So the noise should be like this, not like just bang it on the stone. This day, everyone use blender. So if you have a good blender, that person can cook really well too. We're doing the Gai Thot Hat Yai, which is the a version of Thai fried chicken. The origin is the Gai Thot Hat Yai, which is down south of Thailand. Influence between Malaysia as well. People were traveling to come in to eat in the border of Hat Yai. So this chicken become famous since then. Everywhere, like in central or even up north of Thailand, just about everywhere in Thailand, that really famous. The ingredients, we have the shallot. I start sliding shallot first, and then we're gonna fry them. Putting into the water, kind of like slow down the process of cooking shallot. They're gonna come out beautiful, nice golden brown. After, I'm gonna strain them out from the water, and then I have some of shallot, which is the sliced here. Next, we're gonna put into the hot oil. And now we almost get our shallot here. Try to get every single one nice golden brown. And then you don't need any flour to coat it to make it crispy, anything like that at all. It's just like naturally nice clean oil, because we're gonna use this oil afterward for our fried chicken. I'm gonna spread fried shallot out just a little bit so it doesn't cook further, because sometimes they're stuck together. They tend to like continue cooking. I'm gonna seasoning it with the Thai sea salt, just a touch. It's really nice, crispy, sweet, just slightly bitter finish, but it's really good, a bitter flavor. And then it's go along with so many things. Salad ao yam, the relish, nam prik. Here we go. So now we get into Sam Glur, which is the like a three best friend: garlic, coriander root, and white peppercorn. So this marination, after they mix together, we coat it on the steak, chicken, even fish as well, and then we grill them or we fry them. White green peppercorn, it gives a heat flavor, quite pungent. Coriander root, which is give a lot of flavor. Coriander root has milder flavor in terms of stem and also the leaves. We use it for the soup and also for the curry paste. I'm gonna start pounding the white green peppercorn first and then garlic. For the Sam Glur, the three ingredients, and then afterward, of course, it's gonna be oxidized. So it turns slightly brown. You can add in with the oil to preserve it. And then of course, it has to be in the refrigerator or in the freezer, so you can keep it for like months. So let's go into the rest of the ingredients for our fried chicken. We have coriander seed. We're gonna toast it. Cumin seed. Also, I'm gonna toast it as well. After these two get toasted, I'm gonna blend it into powder to marinate our chicken. I have the chicken drumstick with the thigh. I'm gonna slightly cut the joint here just to open it up. Just still the attach it. Still attached, don't cut through. Just like to break the joint here. I do this because of sometimes you know, you have the blood clot into the bone here when you cut it or the customer cut it, and then they see the blood stain here and they think the chicken is still raw. So this is to prevent there is no blood clot here, to make sure that your chicken is perfectly cooked as well. Okay, now we have the toasted cumin and coriander seed ready. I'm going to put the oil back on the medium low heat, around 160 as well, just to keep the oil warm. Next, blend the spice. Okay, next we come to see the chicken. We have brown sugar, salt, cooking oil, soy sauce, We have our Sam Glur. And then coriander seeds, ground, and cumin. Next, I'm gonna give a massage on the chicken. A lot's going on here to give really nice flavor into the chicken. And then what I'm gonna do, we're gonna sous vide it at 85 Celsius. I would recommend it to do half an hour. Why so short, right? Because we have soy sauce in it. Example, when you marinate it with oil, it will stay on your skin. So it's just like a moisturizer. So it will stay on top. It doesn't go inside. But soy sauce is liquid. Example, like when you went to swim, after the 15 minutes, your finger starts getting like monkey because of it's liquid. So the liquid go in faster. The saltiness will go inside of the chicken. So at least like, half an hour or 45 minutes, that should be good for to have a little coating. So this version of the Thai fried chicken, we're gonna have lightly flour coated. So we get like crispiness outside. And inside is just like succulent, juicy, and soft and tender, and then so much flavor from the Sam Glur. Next, we're gonna sous vide it at 85 for 3 hours. And 3 hours later, we have the chicken, and then I'm gonna cut it open. We have flour, salt, coriander seed, ground, turmeric powder. So we're gonna mix all this together. Taking chicken out of the bag. I'm using the rice flour and corn mixed 50-50. Now we have the rice flour and corn flour coating ready to fry. So I got the leftover of the flour that coating our chicken. So I'm add some water to make the crispiness, like on top of the chicken as well, and also on the side, so you get like bits and pieces from the batter. Okay, now so our chicken is ready. Gonna put on the paper towel, get some scrap. Rest it a little bit, then we're gonna make the sweet chili sauce. Thai sweet chili sauce, basically you can make it at home, quite easy. Ingredient is the water, white vinegar, pickled garlic, like sliced it up, Thai chili, the small chili, and fresh finger pepper, sea salt, sugar. So this sauce gonna thickening with the sugar, like a syrup. Basically, you need to boil it and then dissolve until the sugar dissolve. I'm gonna turn the heat off and then we're gonna blend it. I get all the crunchiness, all the goodie, and then I have my sweet chili sauce. Look at the color. ไก่ทอดหัดใหญ่ Hat Yai Fried Chicken. It's very hot.